Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a 2005 Ford Explorer two-wheel drive. What we're gonna do today is we got a ticking sound coming from the front end right now. So I'm gonna show you where that is. The ticking sound seems to be right in this area here. So let me prop the hood. And I'll show you. All right, so when the engine's running, it makes a tick, 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 tick sound right here. And I took the serpentine belt loose and I spun the alternator, because as you can see, it's brand new. I spun the alternator, it seems fine. But when I did the same thing to the tensioner pulley, it was a little strange feeling. So I'm gonna show you guys what I found when we come right back. I hear a tick. Okay, so the way you get this tensioner loose is, all right, it's hard to see, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your breaker bar in that little hole, and you're gonna pull it like this, and what it does is it takes the tension off that belt. So I'm gonna show you. We're gonna take that belt right off of that pulley. All right, and when we undo the belt, it comes right off, and then that tensioner is now loose. So now once that belt's off of there, you can take that nut right off of the tensioner, and it's going to go right inside this area right here. Okay, so we're going to take that nut right off. It looks to be about a 12 millimeter. Okay, got the old one out. So as you can see, it appears to spin well, but it should spin like this. It's too, you hear that? Listen. There's play. We don't want play. So let me show you the new one. I've already got the bolt in there. The new one doesn't have any play, and that's what you want. All right, so as you can see here, there's a guide pin, and there's a guide pin on this one. So we're gonna place it in the guide pin hole in the very bottom of this, and I'm gonna try to zoom in. That guide pin hole is a little cutout on the side, right there. All right, so place that there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your bolt through it, tighten it up, and we're gonna get that serpentine belt on again. All right, so we got it mounted. It was quick and easy, and I forgot to tell you guys it was really a 13 millimeter, not a 12. So, and by the way, these wrenches are really helpful. The ones with the ratcheting ends, because that's kind of a tight squeeze in between the fan. So it's mounted right now, silent operation, which is good. All right, I'm gonna thread that serpentine belt back around the tensioner pulley and make sure it's all routed the right way and be done with it. Okay, everything's routed the right way. As you can see, it's all good. It's on top, it goes around. All right, so here's the routing if you guys need to see it. And this is a 4-liter V6, 2005, let's see, Ford Explorer 2005, two-wheel drive, automatic transmission. So it goes over the alternator, under the idler pulley, over the, I think that's a power steering pump, then it goes over the compressor, and then it goes around the flat side of the clutch fan, water pump. Then it goes around the main crank pulley. Then it comes back around underneath that serpentine, the tensioner pulley, and it goes straight up. So that's the routing. But all right, so we're gonna test this and see if it's all good. Oh, and by the way, if your struts fail and you don't feel like going to replace them because they're 30 bucks a piece, get yourself a piece of board, and it's secure. It's really secure. It goes down inside here. Just make sure you don't hit any of the pipes. But let's test it and see how it works. Sounds smooth. We're gonna watch it for a few minutes to see how it works. But hey, if you like these types of videos, click like, click subscribe, do all the normal YouTube things for me. And the more you do that, the easier it is to make videos. The easier it is for me to make videos for you guys. All right, again, thanks for joining us on I Just Fix It Myself, and I'll see you next time.